All right, all my Can-Am Defender guys, limiteds. If you ride in the mud, you ride deep, and probably if you just have a limited period, I'm sure at some point you're gonna end up having to replace your AC compressor. But you don't actually have to replace the AC compressor because there is a company that you can actually buy the AC clutch, because that's what's gonna lock up on you. All right, it's gonna be the AC clutch, and Can-Am Defender, or Can-Am, makes it impossible for you to find. They don't just sell the clutch. They want to sell you the whole compressor, which is $600-700. But you don't actually have to do that. So I'm going to share with you guys the company and the part number of where you can actually just get the AC clutch to fix the AC compressor yourself and avoid all that. So here you go. All right, so R and Y AC compressors. They're out of Miami, Florida. This is actually an AC compressor clutch for Chevy Cavalier, I believe. Let's open it up, see what we got. So off the outside. There's a new clutch, new bearings, and then this part. All right, so and new sequence, new bolt, lock nut. Sorry. Been a long day. Well, let's go get this put on. Literally. All right, I just got the second C-clip off from inside of there. Remember, there was two. And so we're gonna pull this off. You can see there's already some ball bearings. All right, we got that C-clip off. Yep, pop right off. I would say pretty toasted. All right, let's check it. Oh yeah. Look at all that stuff that blew out of there. There you guys go. And if you want to see the entire video on how I took it off, put it back together, got the belt back on it, I'm gonna do a full YouTube video on it. I got it. I'm editing that. It'll be up in the next day or two. I may even get it up today. So check out the YouTube channel J-Ball, and I'll have the full video on there. And I might even do like another little short version on here on TikTok or Instagram, that kind of gives you a quick little rundown, but the video is going to be too long to go from start to finish on it. But for the guys that need that, it'll be on my YouTube channel. If not, I'll put a shorter version kind of showing you what I did real quick on how to do that.